Oh my god, this exposure, bro. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, obviously. So I was recently just gifted this, well not gifted, but like given this Michael Kors backpack. Family friend knew I needed this / wanted one, so she just gave this to me. I'm actually really excited about it because I'm gonna start driving soon. So like I'm becoming a woman. I'm basically an adult, so like needed something like this. Shut your dog up, thanks. Also just like love Michael Kors's products, like their bags, just everything I love. So I was actually really excited about this. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside my Michael Kors designer backpack. Shut your f***ing dog up. My god. It's not the first time that people complain at this same dog, like all the time. Like, take a hint, girl. Or boy, whoever owns the freaking dog. Alright, so first things first is the, why do I, alright. We're gonna lock this shit up. Alright. First things first is the outside of the bag. So it's just like this nude pink, and it has a triangle design on it. It has studs on it, which I think is super cute. It's just a pretty simple, like very spacious backpack. It has two pretty good sized pockets up here, and then it has pockets on the sides, and then the back is like its own pocket. So in this first big pocket, I always keep like some kind of jacket in there. I have this Nike zip-up jacket that literally goes with everything, so I just keep it in there. Sorry, Mom, I stole your jacket. Ow. Then this is what I call a wallet. Pretty sure it's just like a bathroom makeup bag. I stole this also from my mom, but it's a Victoria's Secret little pouch. And then when you open this, it has, oh my god, okay, has a free Dutch Bros card. And then I also have some cash. This is literally, okay, this is all the money I have. That's kind of sad. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Cool. And then I have this eyebrow kit. It's a necessity. My eyebrows always get wonky, so I always have this in there. Just look how cute it is. It's like holographic rainbow. Real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys like what this does exactly and how I use it, because some people might really need this too, like I did. I just got it from Target. I think it was like $8. So first, take the little caps off. So it's pretty cute. Oh wait, that's the blade. I don't want to use the blade yet. Hold up. Okay, so I take this right here and I just brush. My neighbors are probably looking at me like I'm insane. But I just brush them out, make them nice and soft, and then I take this brush, and this is the one I use to like brush them. Okay, I'm sorry if this is really weird, but like I just want to show you guys. And then you take the blade. You can take either one, they're the same size, and that's where I just like get all my unibrow hairs and like hairs that don't belong in there, and just that kind of stuff. Okay, if you want an eyebrow routine, where'd the other cap go? If you want an eyebrow routine, comment below, give it to you. Oh, found it. Give it to you any day, okay? Just let me know. So yeah, that's basically what I use this eyebrow stuff for. You guys probably didn't care like at all, but hey, just thought I'd show you guys while we're doing it, okay? So on this front side of the bag, it has two pockets right there, but I don't really use those because they're kind of small, so there's nothing really inside of those. But then there's this big pocket on the back of it, and in that I have a scrunchie, some deodorant. I have some Carmex, some scissors. Don't ask me why. Okay, you just like always need scissors. Like when you're on the go, I don't know why, but you always need scissors. I have this hand sanitizer, and then just a ponytail, rubber band. Then there's also a zip up pocket on that same side. And in this pocket, I have my AirPods, a Dutch Bros gift card, and then my permit. This should all be in the same pouch as this, but it's fine. It's so hot in here. That's it for the first front big pocket. Then in this smaller front pocket, I only have one thing in there. I have my Spitfire sunglasses with a super nice case, and I even have like a little washi. I'm actually so scared to wear these in public. I think I look like a sassy little privileged kid. Just look like they're cute and like I love them, but I feel like they're too big and like too sassy, but everyone says differently. So let me know what you guys think, okay? I need more opinions. Do I have anything in this? Okay, I don't have anything in the back, and I don't think I have anything in the sides. What is this? Oh, it's an allergy tablet. Wait, what? This isn't mine. This must be the girl who gave it to me's pill. I do have allergies, so that might come in handy. Alright guys, that is it for my what's in my designer bag haul. Is it even a haul? I don't know. So in no way was I trying to brag or show off to you guys. I just thought it'd be fun, because like, I always wonder what's in people's purses. Like, is that creepy? That's definitely creepy. Okay, people make videos about these all the time, so I thought, why not hop on and do the same thing? So thanks so much for watching. Comment below if you have a designer bag and what it is, and if you don't, comment below one that you would want in the future or your dream bag. Mine would probably be like a Louis Vuitton mini backpack, kind of like this, or a Gucci purse or something like that. Aim high, kids, you'll make it. If you're new, be sure to subscribe down below, because we make fun videos like every day. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.